welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video we are going to do a 2 week challenge of using coffee and rice. Yes, rice, water and coffee. We're going to be mixing two of them together. We're going to do a 2 week challenge using that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So first of all, I am going to braid my hair. This is what my hair looks like, all combed. And also I'm going to come braid it. I'm taking you guys along when I'm braiding it. Then we'll come back home and we'll prepare our hair tea. So stay glued to the channel. Okay, thank you all so much for your beautiful subscription, your beautiful engagement in the hair channel. I really do appreciate. So let's go.
So guys, this is the hair I made. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's make our tea. Okay, I'm going to be using this measuring cup to measure my rice. Okay, I'm using this I think it's 1/4 cup of rice. Okay, so this is the rice I have and this is the rice I'm using. You can use any rice of your choice. Okay, you can use basmati, black rice, whatever rice you have. I need a clean bowl just like this, and I'll transfer my rice in my plate, and after I transfer it in my plate I will wash it just to remove any dust, dirt, anything that I know is not supposed to be there. We need to take care of our scalp. Wherever enters our scalp, we need to be careful. So I have rinsed out the rice. I am pouring the rice inside its plate. I added a cup of water. I allowed this to ferment for 24 hours, and after 24 hours I'll show you guys what it looks like after 24 hours. So this is 24 hours of it being in this jar. Okay, it has fermented for 24 hours, and I'm gonna strain. After straining, I'll add my coffee and other oils. So rice is really amazing. It's a very high protein nutrient, okay, for your hair. Like, it's really high. The protein level in rice is so high. So I'm going to be adding coffee as well, okay, into this. Coffee too is really cafe is amazing for your hair growth. It helps to boost your hair, so as rice. So I'm adding these two powerful ingredients together. Like, this is really amazing, okay, for your hair growth. If you want to grow longer, faster, fuller hair, use rice. Okay, rice and coffee together are amazing. So I'm going to be adding Jamaica black castor oil and tea tree. Why did I add it? Because rice water, it tends to dry out your hair, same as coffee. Okay, so I'm using these oils to add back moisture into my hair, and again, because of the smell of rice water. Okay, rice water has a very powerful smell when it's being fermented. Okay, so I don't want my hair to smell, as I'm going to embark on a 2 weeks journey in applying this on my hair without rinsing it out. Okay, my intention was I'm not going to rinse this rice water and coffee out from my hair. So this is me pouring it inside my jar, and after I transfer it in my jar, I'll show you guys how I apply this on my hair. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Welcome to my channel. I do natural ingredients to help you grow out your hair. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment.
Guys, so this is the treatment. It smells like coffee, and that what they call it again, that green what do you call that thing again? Tea tree. Yeah, the rice still smell, but not as much. I don't want my hair to smell. That's why I add that tea tree, but it smells like coffee. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair. So, oh my god, this should not smell my hair. I feel after I start noticing my hair is smelling, I'll wash my hair and continue again, because can't be carrying my smell hair and going up and down. Is that possible? But let's see. So I'll use this my braid so that I can apply it as well on the ends of the braid. Then I'll braid it and tuck it back in. And why I put that the two oils, the Jamaica castor oil and the tea tree, so that I just apply it and not add more oils to my hair. So the treatment will just serve as both. Anyway, my hair is so this is how
So basically, this is day 2 of me using this on my hair. It still smells like coffee. It does not have any foul smell yet. Okay, so I still apply it on my hair. I apply it all over my hair and I massage it, massage, add it at the ends of my hair as well, and massage it right inside my hair. So this is what I did in day 2. So guys, this is day 3. Same routine I did in day 2, I did it in day 3. And in day 3 the smell was not that strong. Okay, the rice water smell was not that strong. Okay, so I was just okay, it's still good, I can still use it for day 4, day 5, because I know I always throw away my treatment after day 5 because it's not good to use it after day 5. I don't know what you're putting in your hair after day 5 because they've over fermented. So I decided to add oil, okay, because I noticed that my hair was getting dried, my scalp was dry, so I decided to add oil on my scalp so that it does not dry out my hair. As I said earlier on, rice and coffee tends to dry out your hair, so add oil and moisture back into your hair when you're doing these treatments. So love, this is day 4. I noticed that the stuff was smelling. Okay, so after I applied this on day 4 my hair, like my hair started smelling so bad. I had to wash my hair and remove it from my hair because my hair was so smelling. I could not stand the smell. Okay, so I had to wash it with shampoo, and I changed it to coffee in day 5. I started using coffee from day 5 of this treatment. So after applying this on day 4, like I know I am allowing it to air dry on my hair, I'm not rinsing it out. So when it air dry, I was perceiving a very foul smell, so I had to wash it out of my hair. And this is day 5. I'm using only coffee. Okay, on day 5 I did only coffee. I mixed coffee in water and that was it. I pour it in my spray bottle and I spray it on my hair. So I used coffee and I also added the oils because coffee intends to dry out your hair. So please, anytime you're putting coffee on your hair, always moisturize your hair. Put back moisture back into your hair, like using your oil, your butter, your leave-in condition, so that your hair does not dry out. Okay, so I added the coffee on my hair. I massage my hair, add it everywhere on my hair. Then I added my oil as usual. In this oil we have If you have watched my video where I did a oil treatment, that's the same oil I did here, but I had a little twist in the sense that I added rosemary and cloves. Yeah, the same oil, but I just added rosemary and cloves inside. Okay, so I just use this to massage my hair, and I did this throughout till my 14th day. Okay, coffee does not smell when you make it. It does not smell. Okay, coffee is it's more better. It's coffee, cloves, rosemary, all those things. They don't used to have smell after 3, 4, 5 days. They don't have smell again. They still smell the same. But you see rice water, oh my goodness, after day 1, day 2, don't use it again, because rice water knows how to smell a lot. So I'm just showing you guys my edges because I was using my roller as well as I was doing this challenge. Okay, so here is, I don't know, is it day 5 or day 6 thereabout. I didn't take you guys all to the whole 14 days. Okay, so but I know I put it every day in my hair because it's always in my fridge and remember to put it. So this is me rolling out my hair as well. So I was doing this coffee and I was always using this my roller to roll my hair, okay, my front edges. All right, so it's coming out, it's growing in process as I said. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair, and I use my oil to oil my hair as well. So this is day 14, the last day of the challenge, and I am here today. As you guys can see, my spray bottle, the coffee is already finished, so I'm going to apply this all over my hair. Then I'll come back in day 15 to do the hair and show you guys my length check and everything. I hope you watched this extent. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comment. And coffee is really amazing for hair growth. Okay, you need to try coffee. If you've not tried coffee on your hair, I don't know you're waiting for. It's really amazing. It stops hair loss, it darkens your hair, it tinkles your hair. The only downside about coffee is that it dries your hair. So what you just do is that you apply your oils and your butter and your leave-in condition to your hair. Okay, so this is my hair and this is the growth I have in my hair. Okay, so this is same day 14. So this is the growth. If you guys can see, this is the growth we are having. I am super excited, and I'll show you guys my length check in the next clip. So don't go nowhere, stay glued and stay connected to the channel. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be showing you guys my length check, but I'm gonna have to lose this hair first. I'll show you guys my length check and everything. I'm not going to be losing my hair on camera. I'll do that off camera, and I'll come back and we'll do our length check together. So today is the full 2 weeks of using rice water stroke coffee. I used rice water in the first few 5 days thereabout. Then the smell was so like my hair started smelling too much. So after that, I rinsed out my hair and started using coffee, yeah, for the remaining days till 2 weeks. Okay, so that's what I did, and I'll take you guys along when I am showing you guys my length and everything. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So let's go.
Hi guys, so I'm done. Okay, so I'm done washing my hair. There's no product on my hair, and if you remember March 29, 2024, I did a length check. Okay, my front was 11, my side was 11, my left side, like my left side was 11, my right side was 12, and my back was 10. So I am here to do another length check. Does hair grow that fast? I don't know. So we'll start with the front. Don't need to forget, don't need to forget. So my front just added few inches, just tiny. Then my left hand, that is where my ring is. So if you guys can see, this is 12. This is 12 for my left side. I cannot believe that I grew 1 inch in 2 weeks. Why my front? I always say I have a problem with my front hair. My front hair don't always align. She's always slow, like slow in growth. She grow. She always grow. Alright, so let's check this side. Please be 13. Please be 13. Alright, so we are having 13 here. Let me do it again. Maybe I'll stretch, and maybe I'll do African stretching of hair. And maybe I'll get another line to check. But for now, this is how my hair is. So we have it at 13. You guys can see it is 12, 13. So 13, which is good. So my 2 sides of my hair grew. Oh, let me check my back. The coffee challenge actually works. Yes, it does. My back, let's not forget our back. Oh, let me check the back of my hair. My back hair was 10. It's not aligning well. Let's go it out. Just 10 and small, just few inches. It just grew few inches, not up to 11. Just let me say half. I'll say half. So that's the end of the video, guys. Did my hair grow? Yes, it did grow. And will I do it? Yes, I will do it. Maybe in future time I'll do it again. Another coffee challenge. We'll move to another challenge this time around. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, stay subscribed to the channel for more hair challenge like this. Let me know what you guys think about this challenge, and you can drop any suggestion of any challenge you would like me to try. I'm thinking of trying either rosemary and lavender, or just individual. Let me know what do you guys think. I'm going to be dropping a poll in my community, so anyone will pick, that is what I'll try. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.